Hi, welcome to TMetric Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your ClickUp workspace to the TMetric time tracker in 3 simple steps and how to track time spent working on a task with one mouse click. First, I install the TMetric browser plugin and configure its settings to enable time tracking for external systems. Now I go to my ClickUp account and select a task I have to log time for. Once I click the Start Timer button, TMetric starts recording my ClickUp working time. Notice that the Start Timer button changes to the Stop Timer and displays the time spent on the task. At the same time, a corresponding time entry appears on the time page in the TMetric web app, and its ClickUp name gets automatically assigned to it. This time entry with an external task can be edited. I can change the name of the task, its project, and duration without losing a link to the ClickUp task. Finally, let's generate a report to see how much time I've recorded while working in ClickUp. With its help, I can see the time on all tasks in one place and export this data if needed. TMetric has a powerful set of features. Among them are team management, billing and invoicing, task management, reporting, project management, time off management, work scheduling. More than 50 integrations with popular services. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.